Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be learning how to insert supporting beams beneath our flooring system. So for that we go to the structure tab, choose the beam, edit type, and then we load a particular family. So for that you got to go to structural framing, light gauge, let's try light gauge steel, and then say we choose the light gauge joists. So pick that. Click open, select a type. So let's say C100. Click OK. Now you can play around with the properties if you wanted to, dimensions in terms of dimensions. Always remember, if you do so, make sure you duplicate and rename to avoid losing whatever's in the library. So now let's add a structural system, because we want to add more than one at one go. So in order to do this, let's first specify the zone where the beams would apply, and just trace around that area where you want to apply your beams. Now you can notice the two lines. Make sure you snap. I'll talk about the beam direction in a minute, but let's first make sure we correctly outline the area. Now you'd notice that it's probably a bit too big to span the whole length of the area, so maybe we'll want to try to reduce that section a bit. Okay, let's cancel just to narrow down that section, because as I said, the span is a bit too long for the beam. So let's delete these, and let's sort of divide the area into two parts. So let's continue on drawing a rectangle for this first part of the building. Right, this is the beam direction. So this direction, the two lines, they give you the direction of the beams, how they're going to span. So click yes, and you see the direction of the beams now. So several beams. Let's have a look in 3D. Now you see they sort of overlay our flooring system. We've got to push them down a bit. Let's hide this first, just to make it easier for us to view the beams. Alright, so you can see the beams are sort of embedded into the floor. In reality, they should be beneath the floor. Right, so let's set the elevation to minus, say, 150, and notice how we see a drop in the level. So this looks more realistic. Alright, let's check. Looks good. Now what you can also do is you can play around with the spacing of these beams. So you can you can play. So you see how it's set to fixed distance. We can fix it to a particular number, say just 6, and you notice how overall number of beams have decreased. So you do have options over here that you can customize, just as long as it makes sense, like it's a realistic solution that we're looking for. But this is it, guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial.